In this video, I'm going to tell you the 2 fastest ways that you can make money from home in 2020, even while you sleep. Coming up. What's up, everybody? 𝐷𝐄𝐿 Cashflow here, and welcome to the channel where we help you generate endless streams of passive income by building online businesses. So first thing first, you will notice that I am using a new microphone, and that is mainly because I typically use this one for podcasting, but my old one that I was using, my shotgun mic, actually broke. So I'm going to be having to use this one for a little while until my new one comes in. So let me first start off by saying that the fastest way to making money online is not by starting a YouTube channel. I had this question yesterday from someone that was asking me, could they start a YouTube channel and make quite a lot of money in the first couple of weeks? And I really had to kind of stop them and set them straight. I am not the type to BS and give them false hopes. Starting a YouTube channel is probably the slowest business model that you can actually start. Is it worth doing? Sure. But it's not going to make you a ton of money right off the bat. What I feel is the #1 way to make money online, the quickest way, is by freelancing. Freelancing is essentially taking your skill set directly to the market. So instead of going to a job and performing your skill at a job, instead you're bringing that directly to the consumer, to the customer that wants that skill. This is great because you get paid when the job is complete. It is not time-based. There's no waiting for 2 weeks in order to get paid. If the job is accomplished in 20 minutes, then you get paid in 20 minutes. And this is actually how wealthy people get paid. They get paid off of results instead of having to wait to get paid paycheck to paycheck. And you could literally be paid every single day if you wanted to. And no one on earth outside of ourselves values our time. They value what we can produce, what the result that we can bring them is. If you trade your time for money, no matter how good your average hourly rate is, you are disincentivized from producing the maximum result that you could bring to the job. You will never be as productive as you could be if you were getting paid by result. Freelancing is literally the fastest way that you can make money online. And I have a kind of a saying that I say a lot. You probably heard it on a few other videos before, but it goes like, the speed of execution is in direct proportion to your income. And with a transaction-based work, you get paid once the job is complete, and you're rewarded for getting it done quickly. And the quicker you get it done means that you can move on to the next job, which ultimately means that you get paid more money. But you're probably saying, Karma, this isn't passive income. And you're right. It's not passive income. But in today's society, what's going on right now in the world with so many people out of a job, it's something some of us absolutely have to do. And I've done it myself. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Now you could go and host gigs over on Fiverr or other gig type places. And this could be something like web development, photo editing, something like that. So many different creative jobs that you could do online. And what you ultimately want to do is you want to look for the easiest jobs that pay the most amount of money. And you can go to a place like Fiverr and you can go and sort out by price and find out what everything is going for and figure out if you can do one of those jobs. Then put together a very small portfolio of your work and try to acquire clients. You can reach out to people that you know personally, people that you've worked with, your friends, your family. And if you don't have an already existing portfolio, you can actually do a few gigs and a few jobs for free in order to build that portfolio. Now the question comes is, what if you don't have any of those skills? Well, honestly, you could take the time right now to learn those skills. It's actually something that I took the time to do way back when I was starting to do freelancing. I didn't have any Photoshop skills. I didn't have any photo editing or website development work. I had to learn all on my own. And now, again, with society, with so many people being out of a job, it's something that we can actually take the time to do and build our skill set. And it's not going to come overnight, this whole, learning a new skill set thing. But it is worth it. And one thing you really want to keep in mind is that even if you build this skill set and you put a job up on Fiverr or, any other type, places where you can get a gig, you may or may not get clients. Keep that in mind. Now, before we continue, if you've gotten any good information from this video so far, please go ahead and smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so that you get notifications. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more passive in these trying times, then I would say the fastest passive producing income that you could possibly do is affiliate marketing. And just like learning a different skill set for, freelancing jobs or anything like that, affiliate marketing does take a different skill set than normal. You will have to learn it. And I know a lot of people that fail at affiliate marketing. And here's why. What they do is they try and sign up for a place like Amazon affiliates, and they go out and they just start spamming everybody with their affiliate links. I mean, that's fine if you want to be banned from groups and you don't want to make any amount of money. If you want to make money, then you have to do it a different way. There's a right way to do affiliate marketing, and then there's the wrong way to do affiliate marketing. And you always want to stick with the right way of doing things. And once again, this is not going to happen overnight. I keep trying to tell people over and over and over that things like this that are very worthwhile, that you can make a lot of money from, isn't going to happen overnight. Can it be done somewhat quickly? Sure. Will it happen most of the time? Not really, but it is worth starting to do, and you need to start doing it right now. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick type scheme. It's really not. And I don't know what people out there are trying to tell you about affiliate marketing, but you are not going to make millions and millions of dollars overnight right away. I don't care what super system or amazing push button thing that they have. It's just not going to happen. Affiliate marketing is nothing but commission sales. That's it. You are marketing someone else's product in order to take a small commission from it at no cost to the customer. You don't have to be scammy. You don't have to be sleazy. You don't have to be a car salesman-y type person, high pressure sales or anything like that to do affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is nothing but what, a typical realtor would do or a car salesman would do. You work to sell someone else's stuff and you get a commission from it. That's it. It's not rocket science. And if set up correctly, affiliate marketing can be one of those super passive income-y type things that you've ever seen, by leveraging systems in order to do things in a certain way that will make you money for a very long time. You can even make money while you sleep. You could literally wake up one morning and have more money then than you did when you went to sleep while you were snoring away. But again, it has to be done correctly. And if you have a gift for communication, whether that be writing a blog or doing a podcast or a YouTube video, then you can be really, really successful at affiliate marketing. And I'll actually be doing a couple of tutorials here on YouTube with a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do that. Now, one tip I want to give you about affiliate marketing is this. Sign up for Amazon's affiliate marketing program. And once you are accepted for the program, and not everybody gets accepted, but most people will, start marketing Amazon's free products and services. For instance, let's take Audible for a moment. With Audible, Audible is an audiobook resource that Amazon owns. And if someone signs up for Audible through your link, you get a commission from it. Now, when someone signs up for Audible for the first time, they will actually get a free month and 2 free audiobooks. But even though it's free for them, it is still a commissionable product, which means you're going to get, something like $5 just for recommending Audible. So you could go out, tell people about some of your favorite audiobooks, give them a link to Audible. They sign up, they get their 2 free audiobooks, and who doesn't love free? Everybody signs up for things that are free, and you still get paid from it. So question of the day, are you going to choose freelancing or are you going to choose to do something like affiliate marketing? Tell me in the comments below. So that's all I've got for you today, guys. If you've enjoyed this, please go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell icon for notifications. So until next time, remember, you're just one cash flow stream away from financial freedom. Take care, guys. Peace.